Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics. I went ahead and purchased all three of the Halo Glow Beauty Wands. I went ahead and repurchased my favorite CC cream as well as a new primer. This one here, and I also have a bunch of other e.l.f. products. So again, this is a full face, so everything on my face is super affordable, and it was definitely a journey. Okay girl, so there were some ups, there were some downs. If you want to see what happened, what other products I used on my face, how we got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. This is actually one that I don't reach for a whole lot because I kind of forget about it. I don't know what it is about it. Don't ask me, don't know. But this one here is in Grapefruit Goals. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit. It's also very thick as well. You see? But a lot of people rave about this product. So many people love it. I think it's cute. I don't know, I just forget about it. I just have to reach for it a little more, but it's actually really nice and hydrating. We have quite a few products from e.l.f. for our brows. So specifically 3 of them here, and then I did include the AOA Studio Micro Brow Pen in dark brown, a favorite. We're gonna be using this later, their Wow Brow. But should we go in with this first? This is the e.l.f. Shape and Stay Brow Pencil, but this is their clear. And I literally had this back up for a while, so I'm just gonna kind of go through the brows. And basically this is just, did it say it in the name? It's like a brow wax situation. So I'm not gonna put too much, or maybe I am. I'm just gonna kind of press them down. I was into this product, oh gosh, like 2 years ago or a year ago. I was really obsessed. I even used one up. I got a backup, and then I don't know, I just stopped using it. But let's see what I loved about it so much. So I'm just gonna press them down. Now we're gonna take this product, which is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I think this one here is in black. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shape the brows with this product because it's such a, again, this is another product that I was obsessed with a couple years ago, especially in the beginning of my makeup journey. This was definitely a favorite, but now it's just a little too thick for me. So yeah, that's the only thing, but the formula is actually really good, and it's a really nice like option because it is so affordable. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm going to line the brows, try to make them not too thick. That's actually really good. Next I'm going to take the AOA Studio Micro Brow Pen, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the brow with this. Alright, and those are the brows. They actually came out really good. So I did go ahead and place an order on e.l.f. recently, and I picked up the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, but this is the one that has niacinamide in it, and it is like 4% in there, I guess. 4% niacinamide. And then we also have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is just their original, and if you guys know me, literally been going through this for like 2 years now. It's been taking so long, so I'm gonna take this first. Definitely had to pick this up. It looks so cute. I love the pink kind of color to it. It has the same cooling sensation as the other one. And it blends in so quickly, and I'm already feeling tacky. Ooh. Next, taking the Putty Primer. I'm just gonna take my nail. I don't think I need this much, to be honest. Might just even spread this out. As the name implies, this is basically just going to blur the pores. I also went ahead and repurchased my favorite. I've literally purchased this like 4 times already. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream in the shade medium 330W. Love this holographic vibe, but the actual product is so good. This is the Camo CC cream. Definitely enjoy if, and it's crazy because the first time that I tried it, I didn't love it. And I remember specifically talking about that in my video when I tried this, and now I'm like obsessed. It just looks so good on the skin. So definitely had to repurchase this. It also comes with a pump. I think that is something definitely that adds to the favoritism of this product. So there's a look at the foundation or CC cream. It looks so good. So I fell into the hype and picked up the new products. What are these called? These are their Halo Glow situation. So these are all liquid or like cream products. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the contour shade first. So this is called their Halo Glow Beauty Wand, and this is their contour one in the shade medium tan. And definitely it fell for the packaging. Look at that pink kind of vibe, and also the outer packaging is really cute. I think e.l.f. has definitely very much stepped it up throughout the years. Really love that they came out with these products. But this is again the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. Okay, it looks like that. So cute. Okay, let's swatch it first. Ooh. Okay, I think that's definitely going to work for me. I'm gonna blend this out before I forget and go to work with a line of contour here. It's actually blending out really nicely, but still keeping its pigmentation, which I really love. I am gonna go back with my sponge just to kind of blend it in further, but it's looking pretty good. I love this color. Right, I also went ahead and picked up the blush. So this is just their blush in Berry Radiant. Look at how stunning that packaging is. Love it. And with this is interesting because this one, the little cap actually twists off, where I'm so used to like pulling it off because of the Temu dupes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squish this. So again, this one's like Berry Radiant. Ooh, that looks stunning. So I'm just gonna take about 3 swipes. I think this is like a shimmery kind of vibe. Definitely didn't need that much. Oh girl, that looks so pretty. Just gonna take my sponge once again just to kind of blend everything in. Lastly, taking the highlighter, and I got mine in rose quartz. Looks like that. Really pretty. There is rose quartz right there. Oh, that looks stunning. Even if you just want to stop now, maybe put a little bit of powder and concealer under your eyes, set a little like lightly, and just have your face like this. Look at that highlight. It's so beautiful. Girl, love. These are so good. Because it's not like a glittery kind of formula. It most definitely just gives you that natural glow from within look. And it just looks nice and glassy. So stunning. Next, I'm taking my concealer. So this is just the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I literally am obsessed with this as well. I think e.l.f. they just have some really amazing products. They have really great products that are definitely staples in my collection. Oh, so good. This just gives me like the perfect amount of coverage, and it's just such a good color for me as well. So I'm just gonna take that on the lid, blending everything out. All right, so I do have a LA Colors pressed powder, which I am going to use under my eyes. We have a e.l.f. Loose powder, but I'm just going to set my under eyes first using my little heart poof. These definitely make a difference, girl. Just gives you such a nice like blurred effect. I don't know what it is. All right, we also do have the e.l.f. HD powder. I think I recently did another e.l.f. full face, which I'm gonna have it linked down below. I don't have a playlist necessarily. I don't really talk about e.l.f. a whole lot on my channel, but I know I did purchase it specifically to do that full face. So I did do one maybe a month ago or whatever. So I'm gonna have it linked down below if you want to watch. But this is just their translucent powder. It was a very finely milled kind of moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of the face with that powder. All right, let's just get into the face products. So we do have this. It's called Constantly Bronzed, but this definitely is not like a contour kind of shade for me. But this is what I have available to me. I don't think I've purchased any other e.l.f. face products. I don't know why. I really love their like complexion products, but these like powder products I actually found at TJ Maxx. But like go out of my way to purchase them, I'm kind of like, So these are like the ones that I usually use when I'm doing full faces, but I do really want to see what other products they have to offer in this powder kind of product. But I think these may be the only ones, just in different colors. So I'm just going to use that to bronze up the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color here. This is their Primer Infused Shimmer Blush in Always Cherry. So I believe it's like my only e.l.f. powder blush that I own. from what I remember. And lastly, for highlighter, we have this highlighter in white gold. Again, I did find all of these products. I believe it was either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So I'm just going to take that on the cheek bones. Oh, that's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is also a very hyped product. I don't know why. Honestly, I'm like whatever about it. This one here is in deep brown. I think mine looks like it has like little baby hairs on it. And I don't know. I don't get the hype on this. But I guess people use it on its own. And it works amazing from what I hear. I'm also taking my liner. So this is the e.l.f. Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. This one here is in black. This is actually a gift with purchase product. And it's so amazing. Girl, I have to sharpen it. Alright, we're back. I went ahead and sharpened it a little bit. Line the eyes with this. Oh, so good. See how black this is? So good. And I think this is only like $3 maybe, or $2. The palette that I'll be using is one of their bite-size palettes, and this one here is the one in truffles. It just looks amazing, and I think it's going to go so well with my top. It's just so beautiful. I love these colors. This is definitely my favorite color story out of the 4 that I own, but it's so good. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade here, and I'm going to throw it on the lid. I'm going to go ahead and take the dark brown on the lower lash line. And that same color out here on the outer corner. This look is going to be very quick and simple. I'm going to take the shimmer shade in here. Just taking that brown on the outer corner. I also own this product, which is their H2O proof, waterproof eyeliner pen in black. I honestly don't remember my thoughts on this, but let's see what we think. So I haven't done this in a while, but I do have this glitter from SheGlam. This is called their Insta Party Glitter Liner in Confetti. Stunning. I was obsessed with this product a couple months ago. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, but I'm just going to throw a little bit in the inner portion of the under eye right here. A nice little subtle glitter vibe. So I do have 2 mascaras. We have the Big Mood mascara, and then we have the Lash Beats mascara, which is actually really good. So I think I'm going to use this one here. And actually I found this one also at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and it was only like what, $10 maybe. And again, this is their Lash Beats mascara. It's defining and lengthening. We are going to throw some falsies on, but I love that wand on this mascara. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and threw on my lashes. These are the same ones from Sephora collection. No, what am I talking about? Norvina ABH lashes in Eleganza. They're so pretty. Stunning for when I have to go to work because they're not like too loud and in your face. They're just so nice and flirty on the outer. It's just so good. So next for lips, we're going to take the e.l.f. Love Triangle Lip Filler Liner. Looks like so. I have mine in the shade Deep Brown, like a teardrop shape kind of applicator vibe. Next, taking my liquid lipstick in Praline. Just gonna take that on. Also taking the Physicians Formula Diamond Plumper. This is such a beautiful packaging, isn't it? And this one here is in light pink princess cut. How stunning is that? Lastly, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. So this is actually like my second or third tube of these. But this, I don't know why this one's taking so long to use up. But I have just a little left in there. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face, and then we're going to end it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love everything that we tried today. Even the new products were so good. I'm so glad that I repurchased my favorite CC cream. These little glow wands, honestly, they are definitely worth it, especially the contour shade. I love the blush is amazing. Highlight is really good as well. So these are so cute. And again, I'm so glad that I purchased them, as well as the little primer as well. all of these worked so well. I think we're definitely having a really great makeup day today, and it is Friday, so I'm super excited. We're gonna go to the movies later on. I'll let you guys know in the description box how all of this wore. Hopefully I remember to do that because I always say it and I never do it, so I have to make it a point to write it somewhere. But yeah, I think this is going to last so beautifully and everything just looks so good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What is your favorite e.l.f. product? Let me know so I can pick it up for myself if I don't already own it. Yeah, and everything is just so great. Let me know your thoughts on these little halo glow situations. I really much enjoy them and they're definitely worth the hype in my opinion, but I know a lot of people have different opinions. So let me know again yours down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and again I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.